Hi everybody, it's 11:06 and 18 seconds on Saturday, April 21st. This is the drawing for the Nick Fury Agent of S.H.I.E.L.D. number 1. Here are the 6 filled spots. Steve Hudson, you commented 1 and 5, but as you can see, Barney had already asked for the last available spot, which was spot number 5, before you had commented. So you were assigned spots 1 and 4. Per your private message, you said just whatever 2 were available, which are 1 and 4. Okay? So, pardon me. Here's our 3 dice. Number is 11. You have 11. And away we go. Best of luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the final one. 11, spot 5, Barney Stars. Congratulations. Time is 11:07 and 22 seconds.